Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you on how to fix downloaded completed for cloned app in Efootball 2026. After the Thursday updates 2 weeks ago, the Efootball app has been not been opening for some app from some Efootball players. Some people for their main account, some people for their clone account. As you can see here, this is my clone account and I'm still facing that problem. Yeah, as you can see, in this video I'm going to guide you through on how to fix this problem. If it's your first time if you're coming across this channel, please do have to subscribe. Let's dive right into the video. The first step you need to take is to go to your phone settings, or either you can see tap and hold on the app and click on app info. Here you are going to be clicking on the storage and cache. You're going to be clearing the storage and clear the cache. Mind you, you need to know your eFootball ID and the password in order for you to log in again. So you're going to be clearing the storage and the cache here. So after that, you're going to be going to your you can see, go ahead and for stop the app. Yes, for stop it and go to your Play Store. On your Play Store here, all you need to do is to gently search for eFootball and update it through your Play Store. Yeah. So here you're going to be updating your eFootball. As you can see, mine is up to date here. As you can see, the next step you need to take is to scroll down gently, go back and let's go check if it is going to open up. If yours do not open up, please do it to re-download yours. Okay, you can go ahead and delete the app and re-download it again, or you ask someone to send it for you if you don't have that. So yeah, I'm going to be checking if mine is now fixed, and don't forget to re-download it if it did not work. Delete the eFootball app and re-download it again. Okay, you just need to go to your cloner and re-clone the app, delete the old one, and okay, yeah, it's now working. You need to clone the app again. So that is in order for you to fix the problem. I've come to the very end of this video. If you found this video helpful, please do have to subscribe to the channel. Tell me in the comment section if you have to find anything difficult on eFootball, or if you want to know anything on eFootball. I won't hesitate to give you guys feedback. See you in the next one. Bye.